Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Freedom Mobile's internet service. In this Freedom Mobile internet provider review, we'll delve into my usage experience and provide a comprehensive overview of their offerings. We'll cover key features, identify the target audience, and discuss my personal experience to help you determine if Freedom Mobile is the right internet provider for your needs. Freedom Mobile, primarily recognized for its mobile services, has ventured into the home internet market with a clear emphasis on affordability and simplicity. Their plans are ideally suited for light to moderate internet users who prioritize value over ultimate speed. They offer competitive pricing, frequently bundling attractive discounts with their mobile plans, making it a particularly appealing option for existing Freedom Mobile customers. Freedom Mobile's internet service utilizes a wireless home network model, meaning it relies on cellular infrastructure instead of traditional cable or fiber optic lines. This setup works best for users located in urban and suburban areas within Freedom Mobile's coverage zone. While speeds are generally sufficient for common online activities like web browsing, streaming, and video calls, they might not satisfy the demands of heavy internet users or households with multiple devices requiring simultaneous high-bandwidth connections. A significant advantage of Freedom Mobile's internet plans is their no-contract policy. This provides customers with the flexibility to cancel or modify their plans without incurring early termination fees. The setup process is designed to be straightforward, and they often offer promotions on equipment or provide easy-to-use self-installation kits, simplifying the entire onboarding experience. My personal experience with Freedom Mobile's internet service has been positive for basic internet usage. Streaming in HD and casual web browsing were consistently smooth, although I did notice occasional speed dips during peak usage hours. Customer support proved to be responsive and helpful, addressing my inquiries promptly and efficiently. However, it's important to acknowledge certain limitations. Freedom Mobile service availability is restricted to their coverage areas, and speeds may not be as competitive as cable or fiber providers offering similar price points. To conclude, Freedom Mobile's internet service is an excellent choice for budget-conscious users looking for a simple, no-commitment option that provides reliable basic connectivity. If you're already a Freedom Mobile customer, the bundled discounts enhance the value proposition considerably. Be sure to check out the links in the description for detailed pricing information and plan options. Please share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.